What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech. Have you ever wanted to set up security cameras for your home but didn't want to go through the hassle of calling up a security company to do it all for you? Well, today we're checking out a product that you can easily set up on your own. Introducing the Bosma X1. The Bosma X1 is a consumer smart home camera that features 1080p real-time footage, motion and sound detection, two-way audio, Amazon Alexa support, and a hub ecosystem of accessories. Our unit is a kit that includes the X1 and 2 additional door sensors. In the box, you're greeted with a very well organized layout of what you purchased. You get the X1 on the right side, 2 door or window sensors, the power adapter on the lower left, and the quick start guide under it all. At the back of the camera itself, you can find the reset button and the micro SD card slot. The X1 uses a micro SD card to store your surveillance footage. It supports a storage capacity of up to 128 gigabytes. At the bottom of the device, you can find the speakerphone. Setting up is pretty straightforward. Once you have the X1 plugged in at your desired location, you will need to download the Bosma Smart app from either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After it's finished installing, open up the app and select Start My Living. From there, select Sign Up if you haven't made an account yet. Once you're in the main app menu, at the top right, select the plus icon and select your device. In this case, we're selecting the Bosma X1. The app might prompt you to turn on your Bluetooth so it can easily find your X1. After you've turned it on, the app will automatically start searching for your X1. Once it's found, the app will then have you input the desired Wi-Fi network you want your camera to be connected to. Right after that, the app should now successfully pair to your device. Now, your camera is all set up. Select Device List, then select your camera up top. You should now see the live feed from your camera. When in your live feed, you can have the camera turn to its left or right, and even talk through it. You also get other options like listen and siren. When it comes to the door sensors, press the plus icon again and select door and window detector. From there, the app will have you pull out the pull tab and press the button on the sensor. Attach it to your desired door or window and you're all set. You can now have your X1 automatically turn to the direction of the sensor once it senses the door being open. You also get 3 modes to choose from in the app: Away, Home, and Private. When you're on the Away mode, all the security features are turned on. When in Home mode, door sensors are shut off. Finally, in Private mode, all systems are turned off. On Amazon, you can purchase the Bosma X1 in 3 configurations. The X1 itself, which will cost you $89.95, and either the X1 with a doorbell and door sensor or the X1 with 2 door sensors. Both those kits will set you back $99.95. So, in conclusion, if you don't have the budget for more expensive smart home cameras like the Nest or Arlo, then I recommend you check out the Bosma X1. The app isn't janky, and as long as you have a good stable internet connection, you should be fine. So, did you guys find this video helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.